Hey guys, I'm Levi Gates. This is Anthony Fisher. We are the Rag Company doing some lists.
Number 1, record yourself for efficiency. Take that camera out of the bedroom, put it in your garage, put it in your shop, and film yourself working. One of the best ways to do this is put it on the time-lapse feature and watch how your movements around the car affect the way you work. See how many times you're walking around the vehicle, unnecessary movements, necessary movements, and see ways that you can improve your workflow.
Exactly. I used to have security cameras in my shop, and so I could stay at home and I could watch my employees, and I could see where they were taking too much time or if they were circling a car really unnecessary. And Ivan, you've got a little tip there too.
Have someone watch the film with you that isn't a detailer. That way they will pick out stuff and ask you questions. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing that? Why are you doing this?
Yep.
Yeah, exactly. And there's proper tools for the job that can make things better, whether it's a nice detailing cart, whether it's a nice detailer's helper tool belt. There's a lot of tools out there that make you more efficient in your overall task of detailing. So I think that wraps up number 1.
Yep. Numéro 2. Oh, you guys wanted in English, sorry. Number 2, no horizontal surfaces. The only horizontal surface you should have in your work area is the floor. Anything else just accumulates crap that shouldn't be there. Everything should have a place for it and everything in its place.
If you got time to lean, you got time to clean. Basically, make sure that your guys are always working. If you've got a bunch of workbenches, if you've got a bunch of shelving, if you've got a bunch, it just accumulates junk. And believe me, I've had a shop, it accumulates junk. We had a half-bodied mannequin for some reason for like 2 years on the top shelf. So
why does that exist?
We pulled it out of a car. So
oh my God.
Make sure if you limit the number of horizontal surfaces, products and tools should go in probably cabinets or something like that, so your guys don't have like a surface that they can like lean on, rest on, find a thing to put something on, you know. Give them cabinetry, give them all their own special cart.
Exactly.
It makes it much easier. It'll save your guys the headache. It'll also keep your shop clean, look a little more professional, and it'll just make them faster, which will make you more money.
Yep.
Number 3, less steps around the car. Basically, count the steps that you're doing when you're walking around or cleaning your car.
Yep.
See if you can incorporate these movements into one fluid movement, so that way you're not having to recircle the car every time. Some people love to just clean the tires and wheels first. Other people like to wash the car first, then come back and clean the tires and wheels. What if, perchance,
you did it all in one step?
You did it all in one step, where you started at maybe the right front tire, and then you prepped everything as you went. So you made your way around the car, and then all you had to do was turn on your pressure washer and come around and rinse the car off and get all those spots in one fluid motion.
Exactly, and people do the same thing with interiors. They go in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out,
I'm gonna do the seat, I'm gonna do the door panel, I'm gonna do this back spare tire area.
Yeah.
Once you open that door, do everything you can do in that space, close the door, you're done, move on to the next one.
Yeah, and going back to counting your steps too, most people have a pedometer on their phone. You may not even realize this. There's a health app on the iPhones. I think there's something for the Androids where you can see how many steps you're taking. And if maybe one day you had more steps than the other, maybe don't always say that's because of work. Maybe that's because you've taken too many steps. Maybe.
Hopefully it was because of exercise and not because of work.
Exactly.
Hopefully. So that's just one key tip that you can use in counting your steps.
Number 4, put wheels on your buckets and train them to follow you. Your buckets should be able to follow you. It takes about 3 weeks to train a bucket to follow an employee around, but once that's done, you're gonna be saving steps, saving energy, and being a lot more efficient.
Yeah. It sounds funny, but it's true. Once your employees have a bucket on wheels, that bucket will be very happy to follow them around the car, and they'll be happy to bring that bucket along on their adventures as a detailer. One other thing that could help them, maybe you do have that bucket dolly with a bucket, do a 5-gallon bucket of water with a lid, put that on top of on the dolly, then put your actual 5-gallon bucket that you work out of on top of that. This way they don't have to bend down either.
Exactly.
Helps out their back.
Yep.
Bucket can still follow them around comfortably around the vehicle. It's pretty great.
Yeah.
Number 5, train and educate yourself. By watching this video, You're already on it. This is
Hey.
one step that you can take, along with plenty of other videos and plenty of other opportunities for training to help better yourself to become a more efficient and better detailer.
Yeah, lots of companies around the country offer
Around the
training.
world.
Well, around the world
Yeah.
offer training. You can get trained by this guy. You can get trained by me.
Yeah,
You
I
can
travel the world teaching people how to detail better, more efficiently. You can go to IDA trainings. You can be a member of the IDA. Please. It's not what the IDA can do for you, it's what you can do for the IDA.
Yeah, you can listen to the webinars, you can learn more about products, the equipment, everything in the industry, there's a training for. And if you educate yourself and become better at the subject, how to use the products,
Right.
things like that, it'll make you a more efficient detailer.
Exactly.
And realistically, never stop learning.
No. And there's trade shows too. There's Mobile Tech
Yeah.
Expo. There's 2 Mobile Tech Expos now.
Yeah.
There's East Coast, West Coast.
They offer classes
Yeah.
from some of the greats in the industry that can help you make more money.
SEMA's always fun. We're always there.
Yeah, you can come say hi to us.
Yeah, exactly. Efficiency, it's always there. You're always learning. You're always getting better.
Yep.
You're always becoming more profitable.
It's always a struggle.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's a
So-
process.
Keep going on it. Make sure you guys take those tips, tricks, and you actively work at it and you learn. Also, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below for more videos right here on the Right Company YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.
1, 2.